Bangweulu will not be the same again with the investment from the African Development Bank, the project which was initiated in 2020 by the Patriotic Front government. So this is what we are really saying, that Samfya, let me simply say, Bangweulu constituency will not be the same again. So this is a demonstration center. They will be making cages from here. They will be producing fingerlings from here. They will be producing feed stock from here. And by and large, this area is going to be used in other terms as a training center for who to be beneficiaries beneficiaries of empowerment in terms of fish caging, in terms of having their own fish ponds and so on and so forth. So the fingerlings will be produced here, the feed will be produced here, demonstration will be done from here, and the training will be done from here, because actually the plan is to have a college in fisheries where the local people and the other people from the entire province, the northern region, part of the Copper Belt will be coming to Samfya for training. On the other part of the Chinwe Shiba, we are going to show you where they are now putting a Abrution administration block, housing units, and so Chinwe Shiba in short is becoming a mini town. That is where the Samfya town needs to be expanded so much that create employment opportunities and business opportunities for the local people. I personally lobbied for this project in 2016 because initially government had only earmarked to fund 4 districts, and Bangweulu was an addition after I went there, did a presentation of how this project will transform lives and how it is just important that if a project like this can go to Rufunza, if a project like this can go to Northwestern Province, if a project like this can go to other places in the country, Bangweulu, I told the director, Mr. Ngalande, by that time that I really don't understand how such a project can not be implemented in Samfya. So I was asked to go there, single-handedly did the presentation, and that is how now we managed to get a project on this side of the country. We have resolved that Samfya should develop and must develop. And we hope and pray that the new government will endeavor to ensure that this project will see its completion. And because we came up with an integrated development plan. So that's why once this is done, we also now need to integrate it with tourism. So much that we also have a college of hotel management, food production, and also maritime. So much that at the end of the day, Samfya becomes an integrated industrial base for agriculture, for tourism, for livestock, and so many other sectors, because it's high time that Samfya develops. So thank you very much, and this evening, through Bangweulu TV, I will have a development interaction with the people of Samfya so that we try and explain what we are up to. Because in the absence of an integrated plan, you will be just managing your constituency in a more commonly known as Chipante-Pante, Ababa Pantiloko. But as Samfya, as Bangweulu, we've resolved from 2016 that everything we do should be in a more structured and integrated manner. And what you see around is not by chance, it is by design. Thank you very much.